personal allowances and salaries differently. Yes. So I have itemized
Prof,
that. Yeah.
Yet, Prof, before you answer, I want us to lift the work of this committee beyond incriminating other people, because we may not have the ability, I mean, unless we call them for come and respond. I think there's a principle in law which says at some stage, let the laws lie where it belongs or where it is. I would therefore, I know that Aaron feels very strongly about this, but I think we need to be able to moderate even ourselves, because there'll be things which may be unpalatable. We've heard of new and old state capture. We have heard all those things, and without even bringing names. So I personally think that we should avoid a situation where we reduce this session into discussion of the control of budget. Thank you.
But, Mr. Chairman, I think Aaron was alluding to a statement where he was not there in present, but he's just giving a comment on the same. This is the same control of budget who said she was sent SMSs to withdraw 7 billion shillings and kind of thing.
Via WhatsApp.
Via WhatsApp. So
anyway, I think Bilo had requested to have the first bite so that he can leave. And since you are my budget and finance committee chair, Bilo,
I'll comment.
Please make a comment on that issue. Office of the Control of Budget, so that we are able to know whether what she is alleging is true, or we need to be a bit more prudent with our public officers.
Very well. Thank you very much, Chairman. I think were there earlier, I did actually talk about that and say the buck stops with the control of budget, because no money can be withdrawn without our express approval, as you read very clearly. So I think...
Yet below, it's not a matter of withdrawal of monies from what we had from the controller.
The second part, the one on the budget.
Because we should talk about personal emoluments.
The MP raised,
yes.
I think is very important.
Okay.
The challenge we have, Mr. Chairman, is Treasury is required to use zero-based budgeting. Then they would look at what did this person spend last year? 50,000? Yes, 50,000. But when you go by incremental system, how much was the budget office last year? The budget figure in the estimates was 7.5. They just start from 7.5 and add something. So this is part of the challenges we have. But it's very clear that notwithstanding whatever has been budgeted, Mr. Chairman, whether it's repeated, our salary is repeated 3 times or 4 times, no withdrawal can be done without approval from the control of budget. I think that's very clear. So in other words, if that money is lost, if for whatever reason somebody used her name to withdraw money, then I think clearly her office would know and should be in a position to. So very close, very quickly, Chairman, the questions which were asked.